Django, mySQL, AttributeError, ForeignKey object has no attribute IntegerField. I have a Django project which works fine on Windows, and I am trying to move it to Ubuntu. There are some problem exist when I run python manage.py run server 8000. File break time equals ones, greater than line 151, in machine number underscore pins equals models.integerfield blank equals true, null equals true, AttributeError, ForeignKey object has no attribute IntegerField. Also this column in the machine table is not a ForeignKey item. Code in views.py. I have a mySQL database and I generate the models.py directly from mySQL using $python manage.py inspect is greater than models.py.
Your field named models shadows the models imported from Django. You can either rename the field or import the module with a different name.